What's going on, guys? We'll get started here in a little bit. Hope you guys are having a pretty awesome Wednesday. Go ahead and share this video on Facebook. So if you guys are following along, we're going to be making a website for our agency, 915 Web Design, and we're going to show you guys how to do it. So if you need a website, you can follow along and make your own. So yeah, just want to share what we know, share what we learned, and make some pretty sick content. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm David Negrete. I'm the owner of 915 Web Design. I'm the lead developer right now. We are looking for people to join our team because we need help creating stuff. So if you guys have any questions, let me know. Just go ahead and create this post right here. So what do you guys think of the new studio editor Facebook came up with? It's pretty cool, I think. It's kind of tricky, but gotta go with the wave, guys. Oh, let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you guys a sick tool that I'm using. It's called Conversion AI. So if you guys have ever created content, you know how much work it takes to create stuff. To write the content, so you have to, you're not just creating content blindly, you have your intent behind it. And Conversion AI, it's amazing. It helps you, create sick content. And let me show you guys. So so 915 Web Design. Excuse me, guys. Oh. Okay. So what we're doing today. So today we will be talking about what it is that you should be doing when you're trying to rank a page locally, how you should target your homepage. So let's go ahead and do that here. I gotta be more descriptive here. Sorry, guys. Alright. That would be helpful. I'm not going to put any examples. You could put examples in here. Let's try it without and with, see what happens. Let's do it without first. learn how to optimize your page for a local niche. Put funny this time. All right. See what comes up. Should fix this right here. Another, no. That makes no sense. Sorry, dudes. I'm getting ahead of myself there. So, sorry about that. Optimize it's more structuring, so let me redo that. I think this is it right here. It's genius, right? I don't know. What do you guys think about that? Conversion AI. I'll show you some other stuff later, but I really want to get this video done. So let's go ahead and let's see if somebody jumps on. All right, guys. Go ahead and close this. All right. Hey, what's up, guys? Now you can see me. All right. So get my little notes ready. Let's get to it. So what's up, guys? This is David Negrete with 915 Web Design. So there are many factors at play when it comes to selecting your structure for your website. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that optimally so you'll rank the highest. And it's really not, necessarily a hard thing to do, selecting your structure. You just have to look and see what it is that's out there. So let me show you guys what we're going to be looking for. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my camera off. Boom. All right. So the very first thing that you should be doing to determine what pages should be ranking is to look at your competitors. So who are your competitors? What is it that you're trying to rank for? So let's go ahead and do a search. So let's go ahead and search for this page. We're trying to rank for web design, so let's go ahead and do web design. So before I do this search, it's very important that when you're trying to optimize something on the search engines, that you have an anonymous browser. You don't want to be sharing your location, because a lot of the information gets cached, and you're going to get served results that are not legit 100%. So it's important to use an incognito window. So let's go ahead and look for that, right? What we're searching for is web design El Paso. I typed it wrong, sorry dudes. So web design El Paso, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's ranking. So when you're looking through to see what's ranking, you want to avoid like Yelp, these directory websites. You want to look to see what local website is the highest ranking and what structure they have, because that's what we want to copy. So we have here one, right? It's El Paso Web Designers. Let's take a look at that. See what kind of structure they have. So what we're seeing here is that they're ranking their homepage, right? So the highest ranking for web design El Paso, but maybe it has some. Let me fix my search down here. Alright. So we got different results. So that's important to point out. So I didn't put the space between web and design, and I searched, and I got different results. So now if we look at web design El Paso but typed incorrectly, we have monsterlinkmarketing.com. They seem to be the highest ranking, and this is not their homepage. This is actually a location page. So we have here web design company El Paso is the URL structure. So this is what we're going to be copying as well. So let's go ahead and copy that. So things that we were see here that they have map embed, NAP information. If you don't know what NAP information is, it's name, address, phone number, website. That's really important for that to be consistent. And they have that on their footer, and they have reviews, and so we're going to be copying them to see what they do, and how we can do something similar to what they do. Try to do it better. They have a really sick website. If you look at this, it's beautiful. Look, wow. So there's definitely some tough competition here. Oh, I even have a problem here on this image reel here. Probably need to update one of their plugins or something. Maybe I'll send them a message. Alright, so yeah guys, so we're gonna be copying these dudes. Let's go ahead and pull up our sheet. So if you guys want to download the sheet, you can download it, and you'll be able to make your own website. Just follow along, put the information in for your own business, and start ranking it. Sorry dudes, gotta update this here real quick, or validate this. So we go, let's go ahead and see our competitors. I think I already, no, I don't have it linked out. There we go, competitors. So for competitors, we're gonna go ahead and put these dudes here. Monster Link Magnet. And then they had an inner page ranking #1. So we'll want to go ahead and copy that too. It's inner location page. Alright. So let's go ahead and take a look and see who else is in the SERPs besides these dudes. These dudes right here, I think. Let's see if it's on a directory. No, it is a directory. These dudes. Okay, okay. Let's take a look and see if we can find another one. I think with 3 is pretty good. Oh, this dude's already clicked on him. Expertise, no, Stanton Street. Okay. So it seems that web design company in El Paso is the most popular on the search engines. So this is a structure that we're going to be following for our location page for our website. So let's go ahead and take a look at Santananos. So one thing that I wanted to share with you guys as well is that there's a couple of things that you need to keep in mind when it comes to optimizing your Google My Business in conjunction with your website. So for your home page, it could be the location page of your website, of your brand, for single Google My Business listings. So if you have a business that has multiple locations, you can do that as long as you're in the same city. But it's important if it's like a national brand that you have the entity that best represents that. But for local, real simple, your home page could be the location page for a single Google My Business listing, and that's a really important thing for you to do. Another rule is, or not rule, but like thing that you should follow when you're creating your entity, your Google My Business. The homepage can often be used for the headquarters of your largest location. So the homepage can also be shared as a location page if the Google My Business listings are in the same city. If you live in multiple city location, or are you serving multiple cities, that's something important that you should be keeping in mind. The homepage can be shared if the locations are very close or part of the same area. For example, Northeast, Far East El Paso. Location pages can be used for distinct neighborhoods, cities, counties, or states, with or without your Google My Business listing attached to that. So if you have a location page, for example, the dudes from these dudes right here, Monster Link Magnet, they have their location page right here. The web design company El Paso is their location page. So yeah. Another thing to keep in mind for your Google My Business is you do not want to create pages for similar services optimized for the same locations as your location pages. For example, if you are a plumber in El Paso, you wouldn't want to have an inner page that's also optimized for plumber in El Paso. So you wouldn't want to have those keywords on your page in any way that would confuse the search engines to determine which one to give value to. So you always want to have a single location page, and that location page should be what's representing your website, your business on Google and on the Google My Business. So on the next video, we're gonna start creating the structure and start creating some content. And this is kind of where it gets a little bit more technical, but it's still super easy to do, guys. It's not hard to rank a website. All you gotta do is do what someone else has already done and just try to make it a touch better. It's hard sometimes, but it's it's doable. So if you guys see value in this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or anything, I'm gonna go check the chat, see if anybody has any questions, and if you don't, I'll be dipping on out. Take a look. Nobody's in the chat. Coco. Alright, guys. Well, hopefully you like this video, you see value in it, and if you have any questions about optimizing your Google My Business or how to select a location page to represent your brand, let me know. Peace.